One DAC that is plugged into the Puritan PSM156. The other one is plugged in straight to the wall. There's no music playing. They're both going into their own inputs on the preamp. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to first put the DAC that is in the Puritan and turn the volume all the way to max and see if we hear any noise. All right, volume up, maxed. There's like a faint hum. All right. Now, let's go to the one in the wall. Oh, my God. No way. I don't know about you guys, but that's loud. That's a lot of noise.